to the Analysis ToolPak. So first off, just a quick note. So this is an Excel add-in that has a lot of different tools for you to do statistical analysis on your data. All right. You might not have it loaded in on your Excel just yet. If you do, it'll look like this, right? So everybody go to your data tab. So at the top there on Excel, go to data. And you should see a group that says analysis, right? So that group that says analysis, you should have data analysis there at the top. If you don't worry, we're gonna go through how to load this ToolPak right for the first time. And once you load it in, then you should have it available to you afterwards, right? And that's where you're gonna find it, right? So if you don't have it, let's load it in first. So first off, you go to File, and File at the very top, and under File, you're gonna go to Options. So you go to File at the very top left, go to Options, and you should see a section that says Add-ins. Add-ins right there on the left. You're gonna go to Add-ins, you're gonna highlight the Analysis ToolPak, and you're gonna go to Go at the bottom. After that, you should see, it should give you a couple different options. You're gonna select Analysis ToolPak, and you're gonna click OK. And that should load the Analysis ToolPak for you. So before I move on, was everybody able to do that? Anybody have any questions?